Earn $90 an hour online watching videos. In this video, I will show you how you can earn $90 an hour just watching videos. The first thing we need to do is go to Twitch here, okay? If you've never seen this platform first, we're going to go to this platform. It allows users to upload videos, watch live video streams, gamers, and if they decide to broadcast their gameplay video. But what we want to do is monetize these videos even if they are not good themselves. I will show you how to do it in detail. Now first, in the side corner, we click on the left link of category. Now we will be directed to this particular page where we can see different type of videos that will show you the highest earning Call of Duty falls in the first categories of 3 we choose. Let's go ahead and review them now. If you've never played it, you should know that these video games are very popular. Despite having a lot of daily views in this particular area, it will be ranked second even though it's very entertaining. It has over 100,000 views, while Minecraft has over 150,000 views, making it your third most popular video. The categories mentioned above will bring you the most income. Now, I will show you in detail what you will do in this field. So the first thing you need to do is to click on Call of Duty in the right box. This will take you to this particular page. Well, this video game alone has close to 9 million followers here, so that's pretty cool. That means 9 million people log into Twitch every day to watch live streaming of this video game. Even the games they play themselves are just watching, but I'll show you how to make money from these videos, and then I'll show you how to get other people to watch them, and you'll start making money. So what we're going to do is select and click on the live videos and channels, and then click here in the right hand corner, so the most popular videos with the most views should show up at the top, because this is where we will use them to our advantage and make the most money. As you can see, the videos with high views are shown here. Imagine getting paid for each of these videos. We'll teach you exactly how to do it. We click on the most popular videos. It takes us to the videos itself. So what we want to do, click the share button and copy the link to the video, then paste it in the address bar of the next page. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. As you can see here, Canada pays $4.50 in Kuwait, $4.50 per thousand views. Considering that the videos have millions of views, you can calculate the result. Australia, Ireland $4, Denmark $2, United States of America $1.85. You can scroll down to see the Philippines, Peru, Russia, and Panama for $1.60. All of these countries are present and paying. The name of this website is cpmlink.net. What you want to do is shorten your links and earn money. Will shorten your links and earn money, and the way you get paid is to have a search and link So when someone clicks to view video, a small ad appears totally safe paid to pay daily. No fee, you only need to earn $5 to cash out. So you only need to earn $5 to cash out to PayPal money. First, you need to click on shorten link and paste your link in the box that appears and then click OK. If you don't know that PayPal is the right option to receive your income, there are other payment methods. So you can put your link here and shorten them. So you can paste it into the script you already prepared. So people click on it, and this platform pays you for every visit. But I will show you how to drive thousands and millions of people to your link and earn money from CPM links. If you want to improve your Call of Duty skills, if you prefer to visit every day, every game with this decision, you should watch this video. The script is yours now. It says you have never seen Call of Duty Season 6 games. Oh, okay, and after you click on one click, you will start earning from the CPM links. In this section, we are going to go to GameSpot.com. So we are going to do this for your script, and then we are on the site. While we are here, this is where they have a lot of different articles about games and new information about games. But what we are going to do is go to the 4 articles, go to the groups, and go to the forum decision. Well, we can check the game's decision. Over 79 million people visited this forum. There are billions of visitors to this website, so when we click on it, you will find your link where you can publish your completed script. So I have shown you how to find related to the game you mention. You use the form I linked it. You use one of them to find a decision about the game you mention and link to it. They discuss different games in these forums. So you can choose your game decisions, which is Call of Duty here, and with this strategy you can earn good income online passively.